Ready? Hi guys, kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin yung tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated niyo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react nga ako guys dito kay Binibining International Myrna Esguerra delivering her preliminary speech at Miss International. Grace in every word, for post in every post. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood to kaya play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. Alright, ang ganda ni Myrna. So, here we go.
Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. I'm Mirna Toribio Esguerra, and I want to share with you that when we visited Tomioka town in Fukushima and learned about the magnitude 9 earthquake, followed by a 15-meter high tsunami, and the incident in Fukushima Daiichi, I remembered, and it reminded me of the story of my home, the Philippines. Recently, we experienced a 6.9 magnitude earthquake, followed by a super typhoon. Through all this, I've learned one thing, that when we are faced with trials, we always have a choice. We can give up, or we can rise and move forward. And with a grateful heart, I am so proud to say that just like Tomioka Town, I chose to rise with all the challenges that I've experienced and move forward with hope, kindness, and empathy. Watashi wa kono subarashi Nippon ni shawaisu desu.
Wow, grabe. Ang ganda ng pagka-deliver ng kanyang speech kasi habang nagsasalita si Myrna is nanggagaling dito sa puso. Yung puso niya mismo yung nagsasalita sa pag-deliver niya doon sa kanyang speech. Alright, supportahan natin si Myrna Esguerra. Mamaya na guys, malalaman na natin kung sino yung mananalo na Miss International 2025. At sana makuha natin guys. Di ba? Alright, kung nagustuhan nyo ito guys, bigyan ito malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. Bye po!